you got games on your phone?
My hair, it don't move. It don't move. My hair, it don't move. It don't. Oh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hi. So in today's video, I'm trying to make this wig work. I literally got the wrong inches of hair. I really got the wrong length. I was wanting 16, I got 10. My natural hair is longer than this, guys. So, by the way, I don't have any pictures recent. Yeah, I do have a recent picture of my actual hair. Boom, there it is right there. You see it? 1 hair of hair growth. A little over a year of hair growth. I cut my hair in May a year ago. So anyways, I'm going to try to make this look decent. I have a maroon dress on and I have maroon makeup and maroon lipstick. So we're going to see if we can get this shit popping. You know, I popped the stuff in. You know, we got some color going on. And I'm not really into short hair when it comes to my face. I have a very fat face, but I've been told that I can rock a lot of different hairstyles, and because I do have a versatile face. So, and y'all don't see the nails though. Wait a minute, y'all not seeing the nails. Anyways, so without further ado, we're gonna get started. We're going to get started with the video right now. All right, this video was literally about to be a it was about to be a voiceover, like so quick, but we're just gonna do this so I can see my eyebrows, the eyebrows that don't exist. This really was about to be a voiceover, but I was like, you know what, I could just plug in like half of a headphones and talk to you guys. So we're going to do that. So you guys already know the drill. I'm gonna go with my Rumor 6. P. Louise is the brand, and I have it on the website forever. I ordered this like a year ago, I think, and I haven't been on there ever since. But guys, I did go on ColourPop, and because I keep seeing them on like different makeup videos, I just started watching makeup videos again, and so I literally went back on, you know, Nikki Tutorials is the one that actually made me go on the website. And I seen that she had a Powerpuff Girl palette, and I said, sis, I need to get that. I need to get it. Like, I need to get that palette. And so I ended up going to ColourPop, and I didn't order that palette. I could have. I don't know why I didn't. It was the same price as the, I think it's called something Barbie, but I can't remember. But I did buy that palette, and so I will like actually do a video over that. Not a review, because I mean there's 10,000 reviews on YouTube, and it's not like I'm gonna really matter on a review. I don't have a big audience. So yeah, I will create a look to it because there's so many pretty like colors and stuff in it, but I'm not gonna show the palette. I'll just wait until it comes in, and then I'll show you guys which palette I did get. I quickly just did my eyebrows off camera because I do the same thing and it's not exciting. Like, I don't care about my eyebrows that much. I mean, clearly I'm cutting them up. Anyways, so I'm using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna go into this little darker, well, it's like a lighter maroon color. Jamada. And hopefully this looks good. I don't know if it's gonna look good or not. Like, maroon was such like my mom and my aunt's colors like back in the day, and it's really cute. Like, I look like I'm pretty sure I'm gonna look like my mom a little bit whenever I get done, because like I have a tendency, there's days I look like my dad and there's days I look like my mom. And so like if I do my makeup or hair a certain way, I look like my mother. And I don't have a picture of the, like, there's a picture of her. I did use it on Facebook one time. But I don't know if I can go and find it. If I do find it by the time I post this video, I'll insert it. But she was wearing like maroon lipstick. Of course, she didn't wear eyeshadow. Like, eyeshadow was not really a big thing back in their day. They were more like the dark berry lipstick. And like, so like all of us grandkids, not all of us, but majority of us, we kind of like tap into that. I think it's just like a thing. Which is funny because my ex did not like red lipstick too well. And I was just like, you're just weird, because yeah, you're just weird. He's like, it's just like an old lady thing. I don't like red. And I was like, you'll get over it at some point, because I'm not gonna not wear it. Come on now. Like, red flag, guys. ladies, if he doesn't like something that you got on, red flag, he should be hyping you up. No. Don't let him go for that. Don't let him go for that. Look how soft this is. Softly blended. It's a nice little base. That's a nice base. It's a very nice base. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. It's purple, ladies. And I'm going to go into, it kind of got faded, Zobra. It's this little shade right here. I was like, how do they pronounce this? But we're going to go ahead and put this in the outer portion and kind of make it and start building up the color, because now we see that there's a color. It's not doing any justice on the camera, but I mean, I'm trying my best to blend all this together. There we go. I'm just gonna put that in as well. I'm not really, like, I know how to do cut creases. I used to do them on my older videos on this channel, on my channel. But like, it's just kind of like I might do it, I might not. Because like, I never feel like going through the process of doing a cut crease. Like the last video, I can't remember if I posted it. And I have like 2 videos that I have just waiting to be posted. And like, so like the looks that I've been posting lately, they're like literally not new. They're not, I mean, they're recent, but they're not like, I didn't do them just like that day. They're probably like a 3-day delay or so. I just suck at posting. Don't know how I'm on social media, but like I suck at posting on social media. And so like when everybody else is like, oh, you should post more, I'm like, I try, but it doesn't get any attention or any like, you know, traffic. So I'm just like, why am I posting? Why am I wasting my time? Why am I trying to make content? But then again, I remember why I'm doing it, and then I forget about all that stuff like all over again. So I mean, whatever. I'm going to put some of that underneath my eye. Oh well, I love blending out eyeshadow underneath my eye. Sometimes like if it's pink, I'm like, dang, it looks like I have a pink eye, but in this instance, I always open my mouth all stupid, like it's supposed to just help me be like, you know, more precise. And it really just doesn't. Like I just look stupid like doing it. Every single video. I do it like almost every single video. I just did it again. I try not to. I did it again. I'm trying so hard not to do it. Okay. But like women, whenever we are doing our makeup, we always do that with our mouth. I don't know why. Especially putting in anything under. I don't know if that's like a natural reflex for us as women, like whenever we're doing our makeup. I don't know if there's something scientifically behind it, but I blended this out perfect. Mess with me if you want to. Okay, the lashes that I did use are these. They're right here. But literally got them from Dollar. So I keep using the same lashes over and over. I suck. I'm not really a big lash person. Like I love lashes, don't get me wrong, but like sitting there wearing and know which ones is which all the time, not my thing. You know, like there's like beauty gurus out there that like literally know. Like, oh, Lily lashes. I know that's one of them because when I used to watch James Charles like that, used to. I used to watch him like that. I remember he used to bring up Lily Lashes a lot. I think that's the brand. But I'm not really good at brands. Like you see, these are $1 and they look good. Like I'm not really into eyelashes that are like $15. Like for what? I could be spending $15 on like tacos or something. I don't know, like food. That's just how I think. I always think like I could be spending money on something else. So, okay, there we go. We got the lashes on. Okay, now I'm going to take Wet n Wild. Oh, okay. Wet n Wild Golden Hour is what it's called. Don't remember how much this was. It was pretty cheap. Y'all know I don't do foundation much on my channel because I just hate putting it on. I don't care how it feels on my face. Like I've done foundation look, like did looks with full face before. Like this is really just eye makeup and I'm not gonna put it on my nose, the highlight on my nose either, just simply because this is still healing. It's about to be It's already actually been 2 months already. I think today marks 2 months that I got it pierced. So I know I'm supposed to keep cleaning it for like 2 months. So next month I probably will be done doing, you know, the healing process of that and stuff. Sure. Ooh. Okay, shocker, I got another Wet n Wild product. I almost was like, I think I gave my maroon makeup away, or lipsticks. I don't wear lipstick like that anymore. I'm more of a lip gloss person. But this one is Aries 671A. So usually I put Vaseline on my lips before I do this, but I don't want it to be that glossy. I want it to kind of, I think this is a lip gloss, I think. Yeah, it is. It's a lip gloss. I was looking for the matte one that I used to have. I think I gave it away because I didn't wear it. So I was like, somebody else not wear it. I think I gave it to my mom because she's still, like my mom, my oldest sister, they still wear lipstick, like berry lipstick from time to time, especially my mama. Told you that's their trademark. I don't. So this is a lip gloss. I wish I had, honestly, I think I forgot how to make it matte. I think you can put on translucent powder. I don't think I have anymore. You can put on translucent powder to make your lips matte if it is lip gloss. Yeah, I don't think I have anymore. It was like no point of me like putting or doing my eyebrows. I could have just, I was gonna probably cover it up anyways. So, but this hair, bro. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put, okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might cut that because y'all don't like that. Well, give me just a second, give me just a second. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I don't know if I still like the hair. I mean, it's okay, I guess. Like, this is something new for me. I usually wear long hair. I usually wear like locks, or I wear like curly long hair that's like down here or something. That's usually what my go-to like hairstyles are, is curly or just straight like locks in my hair. So this is very different for me. It's just short and it's like right here. But like, I do like bangs like this though. This is like my favorite. Chinese bangs are my favorite. So I think it's what it's called. But without that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.